Hi, it's Amber, the Growth Marketing Manager here at Uncommon Marketing Works. Today, we're going to talk about your crisis communication plan. Now, I want you to be honest with yourself. If a crisis happened right now at your company, do you feel like you and the rest of your employees would be fully prepared? If not, no worries. Let's talk about building your crisis communication plan. The term crisis could be used in many ways here. Your plan could cover topics such as a medical emergency, product recalls, or security breaches. Regardless of the crisis that you're preparing for, it's always best to have a communication plan laid out prior to that crisis occurring. This way, your brand is able to respond quickly and efficiently, ensuring your reputation and credibility remain intact. First thing that you're gonna do is lay out your executive summary so that other employees, when they're reading it, can understand what the purpose is of your crisis communication plan. The next thing that you're gonna do is appoint a communications team. The members of this team might consist of your CEO and other C-suite members, your head of public relations, or even your director of marketing. Regardless, the main goal of the communications team is someone who would be an acting spokesperson, someone who has the ability to make decisions in the moment, who is also genuine and transparent. Next, you're gonna identify who you need to speak to during this crisis. Sometimes it could range from media outlets all the way to stakeholders. These are the people you're going to want to keep updated as the crisis unfolds. 9 times out of 10 in a crisis, media will reach out to you. Their job is to keep the public abreast of what is happening inside your company. Having a proper media policy in place can prevent misinformation from spreading. Ensure that each of your employees understands who is able to talk to the press and who is not. Those who do not have the authority to do so should redirect the press to those who do. As we all know, we live in a digital world where news spreads quickly. Part of your communications team should monitor social media, answering questions that people may have in the most professional way possible. Whether you're speaking to a stakeholder, the press, or someone on social media, messaging should be consistent across the board. Throughout the entire process of keeping everyone informed on what's going on with your crisis, stay authentic, transparent, and genuine. And lastly, learn from your mistakes. If your brand experiences a crisis, you should analyze what was done and how efficiently your company handled that situation. You can't always control when, why, or how a crisis will occur. But now that you have what you need for your crisis communications plan, you can be better prepared when a situation arises. For more tips on crisis communication strategies or to develop your crisis communication plan further, Uncommon Marketing Works is here. Let's discuss how to put together your customized crisis communication plan. Contact us today.